Good morning, SMF MMTs. There's a lot going on around the world that everyone has got an attitude or some kind of an opinion. Well, we don't care about that. What we care about is making a market. And on SMF Market Specialist stocks, 3 digits, the 3 digit midget symbols right here, they're listed. They have a way of trading and making markets with the public, whereas there's only one specialist in charge of the stock. Whereas NASDAQ, there's a slew of market makers from different firms. And so basically, we love the way to make markets here because it provides the SMF MMT, the price action long and short, intraday, with 100% setup accuracies of where the public transaction behavior model comes into play, and an immediate lock that price or sell down that bid doesn't matter. What does matter is that the SMF MMT is rejoicing in that transaction and making a market right along with that public model, and that you're taking your monies, your MMT positive long debits and your SMF MMT positive short debit ratio trades, and you're enjoying life because you're going to be making a market with the folks out here. They're going to be long and short, and then the market maker is going to have a specific role that he's going to do. And it's everything that you're taught in the market maker school, in the MMT trading division, that is. We're going to enjoy shorting the ratio off the highs. And once again, it's all about that delta, your teeny expansion gap in these, called teeny expansion gap. Teeny expansion gap. SMF, MMT. So I got a 2.4 ratio on that right here. CRM, 1.97 ratio. ACL, 1.92 ratio. RPM, 17.9 a ratio. And we love trading ICE at a 1.62 positive ratio, starting right over here. So basically, MMT, there's going to be markets made, and when they do slide the bid off of the intraday high the first time, you're going to look for that bid pop and get long, and that's where you would increase the volume entry size and learning at scale. Now, on the gap open down list on the New York Stock Exchange, we got SI here negative. We got NVO, we got MSM after having a big run the other day, I believe, up in earnings. RT 1.39, BUD 101, QXM 1.00. Well, those are the negative gap ratio down. And what we're going to take a look at in these particular stocks is when that seller's cleared out down there, that market maker, well, it's not really a market maker, the floor specialist there, he's going to walk the bid to the high side. And that's where you're going to get those nice, wonderful moves. Sometimes they can go a minimum of 3, 5, 6 teenies. So you would look for the ones that have undercut it. A good one is this RIO, RIO. It has good price action, MMTs on the gap down. Every one of these will. Take a look at this NVO, okay, as far as the gap downs. That one there, and take a look at how BHP comes off the bottom as well. Maybe you're going to get 70 pennies on 1,000 shares. That's a nice wage. Doesn't matter. It's a positive SMF debit. And then you would look at where you would make that short transaction, that negative debit ratio.